Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Jeff Denny, your career teacher. In this video today, I'm going to teach you how to use should in English. As you already know too guys, should is a modal verb. What does a modal verb mean? A modal verb is a helping verb. We can use guy to conjugate or to make a statement with another verb. Let's go guy. 3 ways that you can use should in English. Firstly guy, you can use it to indicate obligation or correctness, typically when criticizing someone's actions. We can use it to guide to criticize a person's action. Let's see guys. For example, he should have been careful. This is the first example that I take. Let me take an example or other in the board. I can say Jeff should be here by 4 o'clock p.m. Okay? Secondly, guys, we can use it to ask questions or to indicate probably. Okay? Example 2, should we turn left? Should we turn left? Thirdly, guys, you can use it to show an obligation, give an opinion. Example 3, you should stop eating fast. Okay guys, so before leaving you guys, let me give you another definitions about should. Okay, so we can use should when you are saying what would be the right thing to do or the right step or for something to be in. Okay guys, so I think you understand them. So if you would like to see more videos, don't forget to visit my channel. The name of my English channel guys is Jeff Denny 56. Go to visit guys. Thanks for being watching it. Thanks a lot.